unforgettable. That's what you are.
My name is Sally. Imagine living in a world where your biggest problems are simple things like not having clean water and food to eat. Industrial worlds are concerned about illness which are still incurable. But in poor countries, many people die annually from treatable injections. Is there any way we can help these countries? These countries can cure the disease if they can afford the health care. If they had clean water and clean buildings, they wouldn't die and most of the problems would go away. We need to do everything we can help the poor countries and make them healthy. Thank you for listening.
This is the end.